Imagine if you could instantly visualize your entire plant hierarchy, dynamically tracking new lines and production targets. Get a bird's eye view of your entire operation on a single dashboard, monitoring plant performance across regions, shifts, and even continents. Customize your KPIs, focusing on the metrics that really matter to your business. Receive proactive alerts before problems escalate via email, SMS, or right on your mobile app. Dive deep into detailed reports on asset utilization, downtime, scrap losses, and more. Unlock the power of AI-driven analytics, uncovering real-time insights, predicting asset health, and even recommending actions to boost productivity. Empower every role with tailored visualizations, giving each team member the exact information they need. HCLTech's Real-Time Manufacturing Insights is the solution that turns your vision into reality. An IoT-led AI-powered predictive and prescriptive solution. RMI enables manufacturing organizations to seamlessly integrate with existing MES, SCADA, and other systems, providing a truly holistic view of your manufacturing setup. Go beyond data and benefit from actionable recommendations to optimize every aspect of your operation. Minimize maintenance costs and unplanned downtime through predictive maintenance. Optimize asset utilization and productivity for enhanced operational efficiency. Gain real-time visibility and control over your entire manufacturing process for informed decision-making. Reduce scrap loss and inventory carrying costs through improved quality control and inventory management. Imagine the possibilities. A factory where every machine is optimized, every process is efficient, and every decision is data-driven. RMI isn't just a solution. It's the smart choice for a smarter manufacturer.